Sometimes, even with the most ultralight of kits, you roll your pack all the way down and you realize there's still quite a bit of space in there, fully tightened down. We've got a solution for you. Side compression straps. Each one comes as a pair, which you unbuckle right here. And then what you'll do is you'll find the adjoining side, male to female and female to male. You'll come down to the side loops right here, and then you'll take the bone toggle and you will slide it down through this loop, or for a more secure closure, you can take the buckle and go through the loop that's created, pull it all tight to create a nice lark's head connection that is permanent and secure. And then when you roll down the bag, you now have a nice jester style closure, and then you simply pull down, connect it right there, and then you can tighten it or loosen it as you see fit. Now, with the side compression straps both installed, you get a nice tight jester style closure that closes up all of this additional empty space that was in the pack and gives you a really secure ride. The Cutaway has a ton of modular accessories to change the experience in lots of different ways. Check them out on our website.